Alright, we're back again. It's been another 4 minutes, so let's see, my rag's getting pretty wet here, but that's okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's getting a little more tacky. Yeah, made it a little darker. So I'll get this wiped off, then kind of spin it, buff it a little bit. I'll take it out of the chuck now and give you guys a look at what we end up with. Before we assemble it, we're going to have to let this dry probably overnight. Then we'll add a clear either wipe-on polyurethane or a spray-on urethane. That'll just protect it and make it last a whole lot longer. But, so that's what we end up with. But check out this little area here. I think that's going to look pretty cool. And I'll show you the assembly process once it dries and we get that coat of poly on there, and we'll see you tomorrow with the finished product. So thanks for joining us, and we'll talk to you later.